Skewness and measures of central tendency. So if we have a symmetrical, normal, triangular, or even mound-shaped distribution like our histograms that we were looking at before, if we can take all our data and put it into a histogram, right here in the center, that's where we're going to find our mean, our median, and our mode. Okay, they will all be right there in the middle of our distribution. If we have symmetrical, uniform, or rectangular, we will probably have the mean, and I can call it x bar, the median, and the mode, all right there at the center. If our data is skewed to the right, what it means is our histogram will have this kind of shape where there's a tail going off to the right end of the data. So that's the tail. And we call these skewed shapes by the tail. So if the tail is to the right, it's skewed to the right. And what's going to happen is that our mode is always going to be the highest block, because it's a histogram, and the histogram tells you how many occurrences. And so the highest one, that's always going to be your mode. The mean, remember, is being pulled somewhere around here, is being pulled towards the tail. And then the median is going to be somewhere in between those two. There's our median. Now, if it's skewed to the left, this, remember, the tail is to the left, and that means we will call it skewed left. And if it's skewed to the left, then again, my highest bar is going to be my mode. Always, it's the highest bar. And here we had two modes. Here we have several modes. Here we just have the one mode, and it's right there. And then I'm talking about the mean being pulled towards the tail. So my mean is somewhere around here, and my median is going to be in between the two. So when we have a tail with our distribution, expect the mean to be pulled towards the tail, and the median not so much, and the mode to be the highest point on your distribution.